This is crazy as hell, and it's still snowing.
Hey, I would see about getting that delivered if you can.
Huh?
So I would see about getting that delivered if you can. I don't want to take the chances to get stuck.
I should go take them people shovel off their porch real quick. We are out. Whoa. In this weather. Want to get dinner for the night. Fufu won't let me drive because he talking about I'm going to get stuck. So it's better if we just walk. And once we get to the store, first of all, my car is buried in the snow. Like, you can barely see my car. Right? That's the first thing. Second thing is our complex, they are only shoveling, or they only snow blow like the parking area. They did not snow blow cars, like the area where cars can get out. So now we walk into the store. While we at the store, we about to buy a shovel, because who finna be buried in the snow? It's bad enough we in quarantine. I like to get out. I like to go to the store. I like to go to Target. So my car is not finna be stuck there for days. We about to get a shovel and shovel our cars out. Get some greens. Gonna get turnip and mustard. So we are back from the storm. The snow was like uncontrollably, couldn't do anything. It was, you could barely walk through it. We had to walk in the street. I showed y'all. But anyway, I'm about to get to my shot day. I have a batch shoot day to do, so I'm gonna do the whole thing today so I can get that done, and all of my shots will be done for the week. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me so you can see every single shot that I'm taking. But since I have to use this camera, I can't show that part. But maybe one day I'll do kind of behind the scenes batch day or something like that. So I'm gonna take maybe it'll take about 3 hours, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start cooking. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'm finally done with batch shoot day. So got that out the way. It took about 3 hours. I honestly only did like 8 shots because I just feel like my hair wasn't in it. I honestly mentally wasn't in it. I really just want to kind of like chill today, and the lighting is terrible. So I forgot the greens seasoning at the store that we went to earlier, and I forgot to get the seasoning for my greens, so we have to go back in the snow to get the green seasoning. So good luck on that adventure, and then when I come back, I'll just like chill, relax, and finish cooking it, and then I'll show you guys a little bit of how I cook and how I make a little bit of my macaroni and cheese. But I ain't gonna give it all away. I'm not gonna give it all away. Okay, so for my macaroni, this is what I use. I use this, the Kobe Jack shredded. I use evaporated milk, just 1 can, coarse salt, of course the macaroni, and then I use like the big block that melts, the melting cheese. Not the cold one, but the one that is like in the crackers and cheese aisle. So that is what I use for that. And I'm gonna put this evaporated milk in this pan or pot, and I'm just let that cook for a little bit, and I'm gonna add the cheese as well while that's cooking. So, and then I have my macaroni water boiling, and I'm gonna put my macaroni in there. So that's pretty much it. So I'll show you guys exactly how I do all of that. So this is the cheese, and I'm just gonna cut it in half. And it's so easy to cut in half. I'm telling you, it is so easy. That's why I like this cheese. And then I'm just gonna put half of it into my pot of evaporated milk while that's cooking. And then honestly, that's really it. Just let this melt down and then put it over my cheese. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you the full thing, but I will show you how it comes together. All right, so now that that's done, I'm going to add my cheese mixture. Stir it up just a little more before I pour it in. Just a little, and then I'm gonna stir it. Okay, now this is where I'm gonna take this cheese and basically all I'm doing with this cheese is spreading it over the top. That is it. That is how simple this recipe is. It is so simple, and that's why I love this recipe, because I don't have to do much. With my old macaroni recipe, I feel like I would have to do so much, so many steps. But this one is so easy. And just cover the macaroni with this cheese. More than likely, you're going to use the whole bag, depending on how you want the top, how crusty you want the top. And then just spread that all over. That's it. So this is going to go in the oven on 350 until it gets golden brown at the top, but I would say about 30 to 35 minutes. I am now writing my wedding invitation, so that is exciting. I'll show y'all what it looks like, but it's exciting. We are doing that now. We only about to do, well, I'm about to do 10. I don't know how much he about to do, but I'm only about to do 10 because it's a lot. So I'm about to do 10 and I'll finish the rest this week, but hopefully we want to get these mailed by the end of the week. So this is what our wedding invitations look like, and we're just writing them all out so we can get ready to send them. And we got this fancy pen. We only got one, so we like switching back and forth. My macaroni is done. I took it out of the oven and I just sprinkled some parsley over it. It looks super cheesy. Let me grab a fork so I can show you. This is how it looks on the inside. Look at that. Hey guys, so I forgot to film everything from my plate until my bedtime routine, all of that. This was like my first day in the life vlog, so bear with me. I have a lot of improvement to do. So this is the end of the video. I'm cutting it right here. After like 3 days, I filmed that video on Sunday. It is Thursday. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you like to see more day in the life, also give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.